I'll be here kind of behind you guys, but you're on your own.
So starting now?
Starting now, zombies can get you.
Someone look on my side.
I got right.
I got left, I guess.
You guys get left, we'll get on the right.
Right? How many guys?
4 on right, 4 on left.
Zombie. Everyone don't shoot at the same time.
Shh, guys.
Make sure you call
Look up there. I see one. Wait.
Target fire, 12 o'clock. Don't wait. Hold fire, hold fire. Don't shoot it right now. Do not. Emo.
Wait, it's full. Look at. Wait. Let's go. We'll engage.
Alright, let's watch right here. Watch the left.
David, we'll engage. Zombie down. Zombie down.
Oh.
There's one right there.
Guys, stop shooting. Wait.
Zombie down.
Ammo.
2 zombies down. Right there. Right at our 12. Right at our 12. Zombie down. Zombie down. There's one over there. No, please, please, please.
Right.
Here. Thank you.
Wait, enough people are shooting. You don't have to, hey guys, limit your shots. If one person shoots.
Find the tap lights right there.
Where's the tap light?
One person shooting, guys.
Watch zombie.
Right there.
There's somewhere, zombie right here.
Zombie right there.
Hey guys, don't run. Don't run. Don't run.
They won't pull.
Go for it.
Look, Zane.
I'm dead. Guys, if we
I'm not dead. Sorry, I'm out. Yeah, you guys got him. Come this way. Come this way.
All right, let's go.
Get ready. Watch the ground. Watch the zombies on the ground.
Look for it.
They're gonna get up. They're gonna
Look for him.
left. Watch the right. Watch the right behind the barrel.
Look behind us. Go. Give it enough distance. Go. Guys, go.
I have no shot.
I don't either.
I don't have any shot. Over here.
Yeah, group up.
Guys,
Aiden's got point. No, I got point. I got light.
Emo, on point.
Look behind us.
Everyone see the green lights?
Yeah.
Follow the green lights.
Follow. Let's
All right,
go.
watch the sides. Watch the sides. Behind the tree. Behind the tree.
Got him.
Watch out. Watch out.
I'm out of ammo.
I still have ammo.
And I'm still out of ammo.
Who's got the 6? Who's watching
We
6?
still have a grenade. I threw one.
I have one. I have
Keep
one.
watching.
Walk our stick. When did you throw? Hey, walk that tree.
I had it when we had all the
Watch
guys
the
when
left.
we were in the middle.
Hey, watch ahead.
I threw it when we were in the middle when all like 4 guys came out.
Hey, watch that tree right there, Aiden. No, like watch the wall. Don't go that way, dude. Aiden, get up here.
Keep this way. Keep watch. They're coming from the village. They'll be coming from that way.
What's that? Where?
No, it's Kelper.
Where?
It's Kelper.
Guys, move.
Just go, Boop. I got ravine. I got ravine.
Keep following them.
Guys, I
Check ravine.
pin pulled, so just tell me if something comes up, I'm throwing.
All right.
Wow. Just over there on the left.
Keep. Check the ravine.
Got the ravine. I got the ravine. Hey,
Here we go.
I got him. Christian,
Perfect.
stop wasting your ammo.
We're close. We're close.
We're almost ready. Heads up. Finish line. Tell them they're coming.
Hey, yeah, watch your flank. Watch the. I got left. Watch trap.
Keep following. We're done.
Watch this bush.
We're in the clear. Guys, check right here. Right at the finish. All right, we're finished. We're done. Clear. Mags.